2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song for beginners and everybody else by America. Horse with No Name. Cool. This is great to jam. It only has 2 chords. So we got the good old E minor. 1, 2, and then we got this cool F sharp. So that's 2 on the low E string and 2 on the G string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, F sharp, E minor and F sharp, E minor and F sharp, 3. Minor and F sharp. Speed it up. Bring it down on the verses. Alright, let's bring it up. Come on. Play E minor with 2 and 3, and then you just move this up to the second E on the E string, and then you move this guy down. So da, 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 da. I think that's the easiest way. And the strumming. Da, 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 bum, ba, 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 boop, ba, ba. Cool. Short lesson today because it's only 2 chords. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool hits. Be safe. Thank you.